Cooking with Manpup Buck. Tonight, we're cooking a pizza from a box. Well, fuck it, I worked all day. You think I want to make a pizza from scratch? No. My puppy's gonna. That's what the puppy's gonna make after. I got box pizza, bitches. Okay. Let's open this up. What do we get inside the pizza box? We get flour, sauce, and we get spices and cheese. See what's in there? Whoa. Yeah. Let me read. This is what the puppy gotta do to read. I am blind. Preheat the oven to 425. Add pizza flour mix to medium bowl. Gradually add 2/4 cups or 150 milliliter to 1 cup of water. Warm, not hot. Stir with fork or hands, form into a ball. Cover, let warm for 10 minutes. Grease the pan, and do blah 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 blah. So, enough cheese, right? Gotta preheat the oven, 425, Pepperoni, salami, and smoked ham. Good. Flour in the bag. You open this way. Now, when I do this, I don't add all my flour to the bowl right away. I save a little bit in this little one for tethering up my hands, so I have no flour in the house. Why the frig don't I have flour in the house? Whoa. This is what I done. Most of it's in this bowl, and I got a little bit in this one here, just for flouring my hands for when I'm forming the ball and spreading it on the pizza pan. For 150 milliliter. A warm, not hot. I got a really big fork. You want a fork, you? Cup, a warm, not hot, and gradually add to the flour. Ooh, I've got the lactic appeal. Gradually add the water. Appeal. We're gonna form it into a ball. And I'm not tossing it. Move this so I don't make a mess. Ooh, just whoosh this, woofy, woofy, woofy. I'm using my paws. See? Pizza dough. Now, this is why I have a little bit of flour saved on the side, so I could just flour up the fingers, so my fingers don't stick to the dough. That's my way of doing it anyway. You want to pound that pizza dough. After this, you're going to cover it with a cloth or something and let it sit for 10 minutes. no, the puppy don't do that. Ugh. Form into a ball. Ball. Woof. I'm playing with a ball. Pizza ball. So you form it into a ball. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Put it somewhere nice. Cover it with a cloth. Cover it. The sandwich meat is like really big sandwich meat, and I don't want used chunks of sandwich meat, so the puppy's gonna chop some of that up. So this is all the sandwich meat. See, it's like a slice. But the puppy's gotta cut it up. Not so big on the pizza. Greasing up the pan with my hand. Hey, I made the whole pizza dough with my hand, so pizza dough, sitting there, rising, rough. Sandwich meat, don't mind the mess on the countertop, rough. Sandwich meat right here, pizza pan right here, and the cheese is in the fridge waiting to go on, rough. It's tomato sauce. See, rough. Sauce in the can, rough. Rough. I just flicked. Woof, you see that? See it? Woof. All over my shirt, my beard. Woof. Woof. That's what I just sauced myself. Woof. Right? Woof. Woof. Wow. Ready pizza dough. Now I got the pizza dough on the pan and I'm spreading it rough. Spread it like peanut butter jelly. Do it like I owe you some money. Oof. I drop the pizza dough right in the middle of the pan and I start spreading it out slowly. I know you can toss it and twirl it and spread it, but I'm not taking a chance of dropping pizza dough on my floor. I don't believe in the 5-second rule. Rough. That's disgusting. Rough. It's spreading. Okay, now I'm gonna do the sauce. Rough. Like everything else, you start in the middle and pour the thing out. Rough. Now we're gonna put the meat on. I have these two. Woof. This is the spice. This is the cheese. Woof. I've got good old cheddar cheese. Woof. Come look at my pizza. Cheddar. Woof. Now we're going in the oven. Roof. One beautiful pizza going in the oven. Middle rack. Roof. Cook 10 to 13 minutes. Rough. It is 9:30. Rough. I hope I didn't get it on my muzzle. Oof. That was suffocating it. Rough. Can't believe. Woof. Ooh, you can smell the pizza cooking already. Roof. Bubbling. Roof. Ooh, you see it bubbling. Roof. Okay. Oh, wow. Can you smell that? Oh, it's not burnt. It's not stuck to the pan. Rough. Chef Manpup Buck knows how to cook a pizza out of a box. Pizza! Woo! Thank you everyone for coming by tonight. I really appreciate it. Manpup's going to whoop into his pizza, strip naked, and jump in the shower. Don't forget to join us tomorrow night for a new episode of the Manpup Show, 8 p.m. here on YouTube. Turn on your notifications. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe wherever the buttons are right now. I know where my button is right now, and I know it's coming undone very soon. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye. Even Twixie says bye.